Hi everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video I am going to explain about Kijter system and Bravais lattice. So what is Kijter system? There are 7 Kijter systems. You know, triclinic, monoclinic, orthorhombic, tetragonal, cubic, trigonal or rhombohedral, hexagonal. So what is the basis for this Kijter system? The basis for this Kijter system is ABC and alpha, beta, gamma. ABCD side, alpha, beta, gamma is angles. So all side is not equal and all angles are not equal, then it is called triclinic. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Here angles alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, but gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Examples briefly: primitive or base centered. You orthorhombic, you see A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90 degree. And this is the primitive, base centered, body centered, and face centered. Now you look at the tetragonal. A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. Alpha, beta, gamma, all angles are 90 degree. Primitive or body centered. Cubic, all are equal. So primitive, body centered, and face centered. Cubic is the opposite of triclinic. Trigonals or rhombohedral, A is equal to B is equal to C, and 120 degree greater alpha, beta, and gamma. Gamma is not equal to 90 degree, and that is the primitive. Hexagonal, A is equal to B, B is not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, gamma is equal to 60 degree, primitive. So this is the triclinic. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 Bravais lattice and 7 Kijter system. So you have 7 Kijter system: triclinic, monoclinic, orthorhombic, tetragonal, cubic, trigonal, hexagonal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Bravais lattice, triclinic, you see only simple primitive, no body centered, face centered, and base centered. But in monoclinic, primitive everyone, but no body center, no face center, but base center. Orthorhombic, all present: primitive, body centered, face centered, and base centered. Tetragonal, only primitive and body centered. Cubic, primitive, body centered, face centered. Trigonal or rhombohedral, only primitive. Hexagonal, only primitive. So this orthorhombic is very rich. So we have 40 Bravais lattice and 7 Kijter system. So each lattice point can be an atom, group of atom, and molecules in the crystal. That is the basis. In a real crystal, the lattice point is replaced by a basis, and every basis is identical in composition, the arrangement, and orientation. So this is the lattice, and this lattice is replaced by the basis, then forming the crystals. So you see Rj, the distance. If Rj for the elements B is O, position of elements A, Rj is equal to Xj A, Yj B. In 3D, Rj is equal to Xj A, Yj B, Jj C. So in 3D, this is the lattice. If you add the your atom, then it becomes the, so lattice plus basis make the crystal structure. Now in 3D crystal lattice, we can identify multiple set of equally spaced parallel planes. You see here, each group of planes forms a set and are properly of the lattice. So Miller indices for planes. What is Miller indices? Miller indices are a symbolic vector representation. What? Vector representation for orientation of atomic plane in a crystal lattice, and are modified as the reciprocals of the fractions intercepts, which the main plane makes the with the crystallographic axis. Look at here. Method. If the plane passes through the origin, select an equivalent plane or move the origin. Determine the intercept of the plane along each of the three crystallographic directions. Take the reciprocal of intercept. If plane does not intersect one of the axes, the intercept is at infinitive and inverse is 0. Include is in parenthesis. Look at here. You have the x, you have y, you have z. You have here. Now this is cut here, this is cut here, this is cut here. So intercept, this is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So here 0 0 half. Now you see 0 1 0. Now here 1 0 0. So x y z, intercept 1, x 1, y 1, but z you see half. So reciprocal 1 by 1 1, 1 by 1 1, and 1 by 2. You see this 1 by half become 2. So this is the reciprocal and this is the intercept. This intercept, always remember here x, this value is x, first one, second value is y, and third value is z. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.